Hi friends, are you ready for the Great Indian Languages Challenge? The challenge is learning 12 great languages of India in 12 months. Now why? Every day you could see in the newspapers or news what happens in the name of language. In the name of language, we are getting divided, isn't it? If at all we have to unite emotionally, we have to respect our mother and we have to respect the mother of the others, isn't it? That is, I should respect my language and I should respect others' language too. I will be able to respect when I know the language, isn't it? Keeping this in mind, we have created a beautiful and wonderful and strategically planned training program, that is 12 months period and 12 great Indian language. We are going to learn Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Manipuri, Punjabi, Telugu, Tamil and Urdu. Apart from this, 2 more languages will be selected through voting. These all are the languages we are going to learn through English. That means English also we should know. So, in this program, we are going to train you on spoken English too. The simple aspect is, for doing all these things, what you need is strategy. Now, what is the strategy? 1 month, 1 language total immersion. That means 1 month, suppose if you are starting with Malayalam, we will be learning Malayalam every Saturday and Sunday, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. through online program. We will be creating a group, either a Telegram group or WhatsApp group, in which for the 1 week we will be totally immerse ourselves in Malayalam. So 1 month like this, we will be traveling, and in that 1 month we may be seeing a film in Malayalam, jokes in Malayalam together. That creates a wonderful aspect of learning the language in a very nice pattern called natural language learning process. The training program we plan to start on our great day, that is the Independence Day, 15th August 2025. Now, what is natural language learning process? Natural language learning process, it's called NLLP. That is how the child learns a language. The child listens, then the child starts giving practice to the tongue, then it starts talking, then slowly it starts thinking in that language, then when it goes to the school, the child starts writing, then starts learning the grammar, isn't it? This is how the NLLP works. The same way we are going to learn spoken English and also the other great 12 Indian languages. Now, this 12 languages, what is that we will be learning? We will be learning frequently and high utility content like, where are you? How is your mother? Where are you going? How to go to Kanpur? How to go to court? We will be learning simple grammar. For example, I go to market. मैं market जाता हूँ. The simple grammar we will be learning, and we will be learning daily essentials which is required for taking care of our everyday aspects. Now, when I say all these things, you may get a doubt. Is it possible? What is this? Is it possible? It is possible. Impossible contains I am possible. isn't it? There are two types of people. One is the fixed mindset, which I don't want to show to you people, and I want to show only the growth mindset to you, because we are all having growth mindset. The people with fixed mindset think that they cannot do anything. Array, this is not possible. That is not possible. People with growth mindset, they think that it is possible. Why can't we try? So I know you people are having growth mindset. We Indians, we have growth mindset, so that India is becoming great and great every day, isn't it? Even then, if you have an iota of doubt, I want you to just see the life history of Arnima Sinha. Arnima Sinha met with the accident and lost her left leg. Doctors told that it will take 4 years to recover and walk, but she climbed Everest in 2.5 years. She was the first female amputee woman to climb Everest from India, and she is second in the world. And from Everest, she told, if in these circumstances, if I am able to climb Everest, you can also climb your own Everest if you have interest, involvement and vision. And team, we are all Indians. We are all having the pride, the great Indian pride. Can't we learn 12 languages in 12 months if we have a strategic plan? Here learning means it is not that we are going to learn the literature of each language. No. We are going to learn how to speak in day-to-day circumstances and simple grammar and a language to support if I am in that place. This definitely we will be able to do it. For this, we may have little bit of is it possible, even after knowing Arnima Sinha or growth mindset. So we are going to start the session with the mental health program, wherein we are going to give you the psychological inputs on self-confidence, and also we will be certifying you as certified psychological first aid expert. And with that, we will be start learning the great 12 languages. United we stand. In the name of language, there should not be any fights. That can happen only when we learn all the languages, isn't it? Let us unite in learning language. This training is absolutely free of cost. Training is free and also the certificate is free. We will be charging 250 rupees for registration fee for the first 500 people. That is, the training and the e-certificate is free only for the first 500 people who enroll for this program. After that, there will be a fee for the training program. So I want you to be in the first 500 paying just 250 rupees. You can get all these aspects. That is, you will be learning spoken English. You will be learning 12 languages. Spoken English, how that we will learn? See, every hour, Saturday 1 hour and Sunday 1 hour. Saturday 1 hour, first 15 minutes, we will be training you English. From that, we will be learning the language, the Indian language. So, the complete year, first 15 minutes will be devoted to English and 45 minutes will be devoted to learning the great Indian languages. Strategy, simple strategy. Now, the registration fee is just 250 rupees. Now, team, if you go to film, you will be spending 1000 rupees, isn't it? But what is it you are getting? Just by spending 250 rupees, you will get network with people from all over India, maybe all over the world, because I think even people from international area will be very much interested to learn this, isn't it? So you may get national and international people networking. Number one, when you learn a new language, your brain neuroplasticity increases. So you become more intelligent. And Swami Vivekananda told, if you know 3 languages, you are equivalent to 3 people. Now, when you know 12 languages, you are equivalent to 12 people. So, team, you can become that kind of personality when you pay just 250 rupees. This is the certificate which you will be getting on completion of the program. That is the Great Indian Language Challenge. So-and-so has successfully completed 1-year intensive training in 12 great Indian languages conducted by Emocare in accordance with the laws and regulations of Emocare and Global Trainers, Coaches and Counselors Organization from 15/8/2025 to 15/8/2026. This great certificate, it will be yours if you are joining this program and start learning. And we have devised a program in a more scientific way through natural language learning process, NLLP. Team, we are having very limited seats. This is Emocare. Emocare is India's first chain of counseling centers. We do counseling. We do psychological counseling for depression, anxiety, suicidal tendencies, post-marital counseling, pre-marital counseling, and any kind of addiction, let it be mobile addiction, porn addiction, or alcohol addiction. For all these aspects, we give counseling, and also we conduct training programs on how to give counseling and life coaching to others. Now, this particular initiative, Emocare has taken to unite India. And for that, we have to know the language of India. Team, if you have the will and if you think our idea is a growth mindset idea, and if you understand that, okay, NLLP will definitely help us, join us. First 500 people, just 250. You cannot get even a cinema ticket nowadays, isn't it? Join today. Let us meet in the training program. Bye.